Final 146 is correct.
Ando na naman, oh.
Okay, next question. Grade 11, 2 points. Grade 7 is 1 point. Tanong, 77 plus 36 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 120 is wrong. Still, 77 plus 10 plus 36, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi mo na kailangan i-press. Tapos na yung oras nyo. Time is up. The correct answer is 1:23. Tanong, 55 plus 19 plus 74. 55, 19, 74. 10, 9, 8, 7. Final 148 is correct. 3 points para sa grade 11 at 1 points naman sa grade 7. Okay, next question. Message muna sa kanila. Hahabol kayo kamo, hahabol. Okay, ano message sa kanila? Okay, already. Next question. 36 plus 52 plus 56. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Okay, grade 11. 36 plus 52 plus 56. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Okay, question. Ready? 96 plus 34 plus 62. Grade 11, 10, 9. 192 is correct. Okay, kabahan, focus lang kayo. Oh, relax lang kayo. Ganyan lang yung mga quiz. Okay, oh, ready? At least may 100 na kayo. Pwede pa kayong umabol at 4-1. Okay, ready? Oh, matanong, 21 plus 53 plus 51. 21, 53, 51. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 127 is wrong. 21, 53 plus 51. 10, 9, 8, 7. Final. 125 is correct. Ay, sayo, kamayan nyo. Ay, kamayan nyo. Ayan, sports yan. Ayos.
Give me my money.
Oh, dahil dyan, meron kayo 300 pesos. Okay, hali kayo. Oh, shoutout muna.
Shoutout kay Mami Ro.
Okay, uwi na kayo.
Salamat po.
Ay, ate.